Welcome to SeveUp app. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to explain how to go about creating a Power BI template with SeveUp app and Power BI desktop. So let's get right to it. First of all, we need to make sure that we have a BIM model ready on SeveUp app. To do this, we go to BIM models folder and click on BIM model that we want to use. This will take us to the BIM model details page. Check that it has uploaded properly, looking for the green tick under Jobs. Now check that you have dashboard template that you want to use. It should be labeled as SeveUp app BIM IFC Start. Now go back to BIM models page and select it by clicking on the box on the left. Then click the Create Dashboard tab at the top up here. And you can either choose Select an existing project or Create a new project. Now in this case, I want to create a new project. So now I just fill in the fields with the name of my project, and I can also include the description here too. Then we click on Create. And you'll see it appear in our new dashboard wizard here. Now click Next. Here we can add a dashboard template by clicking here and then choosing the template that you want to use. Press OK and then Create. Select the template and click Next. Next, select your BIM model and click on Get My Dashboards. Now let's head over to Power BI Desktop to open it. Click on File, then browse and find the dashboard template that you want to use. Then we click on Load and wait for it to process the data. Now we will save this as Power BI project file with the extension PBIX. So let's click on File, then Save, and put in the name that you want to use. Then make sure it's saving as PBIX file and press Save As. Now the file will be saved with a new name. And now your blank template is ready for you to unleash your Power BI skills and get creative. So you can turn it from this into this. If you need any more help with your Power BI skills, then drop us an email and we can put you in touch with an expert. Now we can save our Power BI work as a template file with an extension PBIT. To do this, just go to File and Save As. And then choose a catchy name like My New Template. Just make sure that you have chosen to save it as PBIT extension, as a Power BI template file. Now let's upload our new template file into SeveUp app. To do this, we open up the app and then go to Dashboard Template. Then click on Upload Dashboard Template button right up here. And now let's choose the data that we want to include in this template. Make sure to scroll down the list and check off any BIM properties and the BIM 3D option, so you get the 3D viewer as well. Add the name of your template and the description. You can choose the language as well. Then we just click to upload the file from the local source. So go to the folder and click on the file that you want. Then press Open. This takes us back to our wizard and we simply click on Create. Our new template is immediately uploaded and ready to go. Now you can use the new template with all of your BIM models. If you guys need any more info on how to create and link BIM dashboards, then head to the channel where we have done a breakdown of all of the steps you have to take in our SeveUp app masterclass videos. I'll drop a link below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!